What's up everyone, Vitaly here, and in this video I want to talk to you about Pinterest and specifically how much you can earn if you're getting at least 20,000 visitors from Pinterest to your website every month. Now in my particular case, in the last 30 days, I have actually made over $1,000 from Pinterest traffic coming to my website, and these are other sources of traffic, but Pinterest specifically has gotten me over 1,000. And here's the thing, I've gotten over 20,000 visitors from Pinterest in the last 30 days, and the details of how that works is something I will leave a link to below this video because I don't want to go over explaining the same things that I did in that one. Essentially, all it comes down to is choosing a popular niche that is very popular in Pinterest, finding popular keywords about it, making blog posts on those keywords on your website, and then making boards and pins that are targeting those popular keywords so those pins can appear when people look them up in Pinterest, and then you can potentially get a lot of traffic back. I say potentially because of course I can't guarantee that, but in my particular case, that strategy has been working pretty well. And so that's really how it works. Now the truth about it is that there's more than one way to monetize Pinterest traffic. In this particular case, what you're looking at here, the number is actually involved with a way of monetizing your website through what's known as display ads. So the way that display ads work is that I get traffic from my website from places like Pinterest, Bing, Google, Facebook, and stuff like that. And when people visit my website, there are ads that are displayed to them like all across my website, like this one right here. This displays ads, so do other pages on my website, and that's how the money is made. Now, I don't run those ads. There are third-party companies that handle that, which pay me, so the more traffic that I get from whichever sources of traffic, the more those visitors see those ads, and then I get paid an X amount. The company that I'm talking about specifically here is called Mediavine. I also do a bit of affiliate marketing on my website, but I don't really know which sales, if there are any, came from affiliate marketing from Pinterest traffic. But the point of me sharing this video with you is that Pinterest traffic happens to be one of the most valuable sources of traffic that you can get, whether you're doing affiliate marketing, whether you're doing display ads like I am, or for other monetary means. If we look at the RPM breakdown, which means rate per million, another way of looking at it is how much you get paid for every 1,000 visitors that come to your website from, in this case, Google, Pinterest, Facebook, Direct, other, and so forth. You will see that even though Google paid me more, it's because I got more traffic from Google, it's $40.29 for every 1,000 visitors. Here's the thing though, if we look at Pinterest, that number is way higher, and that actually does vary across the year. During Q3, which is usually around September, October, or November, or maybe before that, I can't remember, but Q3 is the most profitable period where Pinterest traffic just really jumps up. I've seen it go up above $60 or $70 in some cases. But the point being is that Pinterest traffic is very valuable, so the more Pinterest traffic that you get back to your website equals the more money you can make from that traffic potentially. So I hope that this video was helpful, motivational. If you have any questions, let me know. Again, I will leave a link below this video to the resource that will help you understand how to do this correctly as well. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.